where do you see Haiti in 2 years from now, or a year from now?
We're going to do our best within the next 2 years to get down to Haiti, preach the gospel to the people of Haiti. They were from the tribe of Israel called Levi, the Levite people. We're going to preach to them the commandments and the laws of God.
This is the book of Psalms, chapter 19, verse 7. The law of the Lord is perfect, converting the soul.
Stop right there. See, the laws of God are perfect, converting the soul, which means it changes your mindset also. I'll give you an example. Yes, in Haiti, for example, we have crimes here and there, but once we bring this gospel to the people, you're not going to kill your own brother. You're not going to kill your own sister. You won't be stealing from one another. You're not going to commit adultery. Respect your mother and father. You see, basic things like that, basic laws like that, when you follow it, it gets the people in a good state.